welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to assemble the LALO play kit table and chairs. So before we head on with this video, if you're new here, welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. Here's Gigi. Say hi.
Hi.
So see how easy it was? It literally took me 10 minutes to put this together. The rubber at the bottom is actually non-slippery, and that's what I've been looking for. I have this table and the chairs from IKEA, you know, the plastic one, and I don't like it because Giselle tends to use the chair to step up on it sometimes to reach out for stuff, and she keeps slipping on it, and it's just super dangerous. The table is not stable either. It keeps slipping and I just hate it. So that's why I was looking everywhere for something like this, and I found it. As you can see, the table over here has the rubber as well, so that's something I also really love. Also for the table, they have it in wood as well, so if you just want it full wood, you can also purchase that one. I'll link everything down below in the description, so if you're interested in purchasing it, all you have to do is click down below. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye!